So hi, quick message regarding the people was asking about how they built the nuraghi in the Bronze Age. Well, that's a very tricky question. Nobody can answer properly or rightly. And for regarding what I have seen during the years of my work as an archaeologist, I can say that they built some kind of wooden structure around the tower. In some cases, let's say 10, 15 nuraghi, considering that they were at least 8,000 in the Bronze Age. Well, these 10, 15 nuraghi show some kind of holes in the outer walls and they seem to have put wooden beams inside the stone structure. So it was possible for them to build this kind of wooden structure all around. So yeah, most likely they had to cut a lot of wood to do that. And that has to say, surely will have affected their surroundings and their environment. So it's often discussed that ancient cultures of the past, like in the Easter Island or the Mesoamericas, used to basically consume all the environment used to provide, and is not very famous, or I will say the Nuragic culture is not famous at all, and most likely they did the same. There are a few studies of archaeobotanics where, especially in the nuraghe Arrubio of Oroli, where they have demonstrated how the environment was consumed over the centuries. So we should learn from how they apparently managed their own environment, and we should at least consider that we live on only one planet and doesn't seem that we will able to live it in the future time. So be careful. Bye.